Hello and welcome to our assembly. You've all worked really hard this year and what a different year it's been. And we'd like to just celebrate some of the good things that have happened this year. So let's get going.
Hi everyone. As some of you know now, I'm going to be leaving Woolstonbrook at the end of the term. I'm going back to work with children in care. I just want to say that I've absolutely loved working here. It's been amazing getting to know the young people, and for the ones I've worked really closely with, it's going to be really difficult to say goodbye. I've made some amazing friends, worked with probably the best staff team I ever have, and it will be sad to go. I'm wishing you lots of love and happiness for your futures. Keep working hard and keep safe. Lots of love. Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm leaving Woolstonbrook at the end of the term. I'm off to go and teach in sunny Spain. So just wanted to say quickly, thanks for all the good times we've had here and good luck to everyone, especially my old form 3WN. It's been a pleasure teaching you all. Hopefully see you soon.
Hey everyone, I can't believe this, but we're at the end of our school year. While we can't celebrate your growths and achievements together as we usually would, as we've seen in these videos, it doesn't mean they didn't happen. So what have we seen you do this year? We saw you build skills and mindsets that will help you thrive as learners. You learned to set goals, focus on learning, and find ways of dealing with stress and setbacks. Your empathy skills grew as you learned to read each other's cues during class discussions and debates. We saw your effort, motivation and confidence soar throughout the year. We saw you feeling proud as you spoke in class for the first time or stood up to someone who was making bad choices. We saw you come alive as you achieved great things representing the school in things like boccia, football and that fantastic Balfour Beatty Design Challenge. When lockdown came and we first switched to distance learning, you continued to develop, to learn and grow in new ways. For many of you, it was a time to learn how to manage your own time, take breaks and work independently. It was about learning how to ask for help when you need it without getting upset and not being able to do things. We watched you keep going when things got tough. Many of you have used this time to explore your interests, like growing a garden, painting fences and learn new crafts. You spent time with your loved ones in a way you never have done before, and I know that people have reported how fantastic that has felt. You created new projects on things that have interested you, like pollution, science and nature, and even sea monsters. And we all learned new words like Zoom and social distancing. We all started unsure and uncertain about distance learning, but in so many ways you're stronger because of the unexpected skills you've gained. As you look back on these accomplishments, here are a few things I hope you'll remember as we end the year. Keep asking questions. It's what lifelong learners do. Stay curious. Know that you are so much more than any test score alone can show. True friendships stay imprinted on your heart and cannot be diminished by time or distance. Continue to make real connections with friends and those who care for you. Don't let distance stop you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Master your growth mindset. Use mistakes as an opportunity to learn and grow. Yes, our goodbye is very different this year. We won't have the closure of being together for our assembly. We won't be able to hug or say proper goodbyes to the staff and the pupils in Year 11 who are leaving us. But we can still chat, we can still laugh and tell stories. I can still tell you how lucky all of us staff feel to be part of your learning journey. And we can still look forward to being together from September and rising strong.
The school year was cut short and we didn't get a chance to say, thank you for being a fabulous pupil. We wish we had more time to play. You have done a brilliant job staying at home for so long. It's not easy, but you've been brave. You have kept people safe and strong. We'll make a special visit to your new class when we return. We will all be together again to play and share and learn. Enjoy the summertime, and next year we will start anew. For now, know that we miss you all and we are so proud of you.